Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think this is a regular flat. If you put your Fibonacci retracement on the wave A, this right here turned almost exactly at the 90%, which makes me think that it is a regular flat because you got three waves down, three waves up. If that's true, then this potentially should play out in five waves down, and it probably will go to the 100% or maybe the 90% Fibonacci extension of A projected off the top of wave B. So this definitely does give us some pretty good targets, and it has not broken structure to the upside. So we are definitely still in a downtrend based on structure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame with all this information in mind, I definitely would be looking for shorts. It does kind of make you think that maybe this is an A and this is a B, and then it pops up again for a C before it goes down. But that counter trend analysis and counter trend thinking on this 1 hour time frame is dangerous. And what I mean by that is because the higher time frames are down, you might think that it's going to go up. It might even pop up a little bit, but then it just makes a lower high and just keeps on going down. Which is why, for me personally, I would be looking to go short at all these little peaks. I wouldn't really be too concentrated on the counter trend moves. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.